Are you looking for the best Peloton bike screens? In this video, we bring you detailed reviews of the top 3 Peloton bike screens, helping you easily choose the best option for your needs. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included a link in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range.
Number 1. 360-degree screen swivel mount for Peloton bike. Upgraded swivel for Peloton. Accessory to turn for Peloton bike screens. Accessories for Peloton. Brand, Cool Fan. Color, black, monitor adjuster. Compatible devices, indoor stationary exercise bike. Compatible phone models, bike. Mounting type, monitor pivot stand. Specially designed for Peloton bike. Meet the shortcomings of your exercise bike. After installation, the screen can be 360 degrees of movement, adjustable rotating for different heights. It can also be adjusted to the height you need. Not compatible with Peloton Bike Plus. 360-degree rotation and adjustable height. The exercise bike screen display can be adjusted to 2 different heights. The adjuster can provide exercise bike screen 360 rotation to meet all your viewing angle needs. Let you get the most immersive fitness experience right from the comfort of home. Made of high-quality aviation aluminum. Accessories for Peloton, perfectly compatible with exercise bike. Screen swivel mount adjuster for Peloton bike. Made of advanced aviation aluminum material with advanced black anodized coating, sturdy with anti-corrosion and anti-rust function. Easy install. It comes with all the tools and accessories needed for installation, which can be assembled easily and quickly. You can easily adjust your bike screen after installation. Let you complete the exercise bike course easily.
Number 2. Swivel mount compatible with Peloton Bike OG. Pivot for off-bike workout. 360-degree movement swivel adapter, monitor screen attachment, accessories for turning screens, easy installment, and sturdy. Brand, Crosstick. Color, red. Compatible devices, Peloton Bike OG. Mounting type, tabletop mount. Special feature, rotatable. Best upgrading complement. This swivel screen attachment is compatible with the original bike screen. After installation, enjoy the new Bike Plus only feature, 360-degree screen rotation. Train off the bike without worries. Do what the coach said and work out all you want. During boot camp, you may struggle to follow your coach off the bike due to limited space. Our red swivel mount allows you to see the screen while doing strength training, meditation, or other exercises. Top-grade proprietary design. The Crosstick swivel adapter has undergone extensive testing to ensure compatibility with the original bike without causing damage. Our design features a precise matching lock nut for added stability.
Number 3. The Pivot for Peloton bike screens. Made in USA. 360-degree of movement adjuster. Easily adjust and rotate your Peloton monitor. Peloton accessories by TFD. Brand, TFD. Special feature, rotatable. Color, original Peloton. Power source, pedal-powered. Recommended uses for product, indoor. Item weight, 1.01 pounds. Material, aluminum. Resistance mechanism, magnetic. Maximum weight recommendation, 50 pounds. Model name, original models. Introducing the compatible Peloton Pivot Screen Swivel, the must-have Peloton accessory for enhancing your workout experience. Our TFD Pivot for Peloton bike screen is the perfect Peloton screen swivel mount, allowing you to rotate your monitor 360 degrees for any viewing angle. Compatible with Peloton bikes, original, and Generation 3 or older models, our Peloton swivel arm for screen is designed and built in the USA to help you achieve your fitness goals.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.